Good morning, my name's Kip Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough of one of our most recent trades, a 2016 Harris 250 Crowne. We'll start on the Transom. This is a twin engine application boat. It's powered with Mercury 350 Verados, and this is a joystick powered boat. Moving in from the Transom, you'll notice the dual rear facing loungers. This is also a very, very unique layout with dual helm seats. Over here at the helm, you'll notice the joystick steering, your throttles, all of your gauges, your skyhook feature, your vessel view gauge, and all of your digital and analog gauges. Moving forward, you'll notice ski locker there, your exit off to the port side, which is awesome. Tons of seating up on the bow with armrest. And notice your JL Audio sound system, which this does have the premium audio sound. Moving forward, you have your docking lights on the pods. And this boat does come with a triple axle trailer included. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.